All right, example 4, same two numbers, I think. Are they the same two numbers? Absolutely. All right, same two numbers. This time it says subtract 0.02163 from 4.0016. When you're subtracting or dividing, order does matter. So the way it's describing this, to subtract this number from that number, if I was writing it in subtraction form, 4.0016 minus 0.02163 is how we'd write it. If I wrote it vertically, the first number goes on top, the second number goes on bottom, once again lining up decimal places. The decimal points line up there, like so. Notice that this is not the same order as the numbers in the problem, so when it says subtract something from something else, you take the second number in front. If it just says subtract and then it has a subtraction problem, then the problem is what it is. Alright, now with subtraction, on the last problem with addition, I stuck a 0 there because I felt like it. With subtraction, I have to put a number there because I can't subtract 3 from nothing. So I have to have a 0 there to have something to subtract 3 from. Then we run into the problem we can't subtract 3 from 0 because 0 is not big enough, so we have to borrow. And we are in a decimal system, and I know you guys know how to borrow, right? You take 1 and you add 10. The reason we add 10 is because we're in a decimal system. It's a base 10 system. Okay, if I was in a base 8 system, I'd borrow 1 and from here and add 8. If I was in a hexadecimal system, that's a base 16, take 1 from here, add 16. And the extra digits are A, B, C, D, E, and F, in case you're interested. And you're in hexadecimal, you got A, B, C, D, E, and F. That's 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. But if I'm in a binary system, that's a base 2 system, borrow 1, add 2. So in base 10, one of these is worth 10 of these, and one of these is worth 10 of these, and one of these is worth 1,000 of those, but only 100 of those and 10 of those, and so on. So when you're borrowing, that's how it works. All right. Now, with that being said, and maybe I've confused people, but we all know how to do this, so I don't care about confusing people a little bit. I can't subtract 0 minus 3, so I take 1 away from here, which adds 10 to this. 10 minus 3 is 7. I can't do 5 minus 6. I borrow 1 from here, which means I can add 10 to this. 15 minus 6 is 9. I can't do 0 minus 1, so I have to borrow 1 from here, but I can't. So I have to borrow 1 from here, but I can't. So I have to borrow 1 from here. That makes a 3. That makes this 10, which I'm borrowing 1 makes 9. 10 makes, I borrow 1 makes 9, and that makes 10. 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 0 is 0, and 3 minus 0 is 3.
It's 9.
Well, it's not, dang it, 9, there, okay. 9 minus 0 is 9, not 0, sorry, alright. Extra confusion there, my bad. Alright, thanks for correcting me. So 3.97997 is the correct answer to that problem.